Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add songs on library on YouTube Music. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music app, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, where exactly can you get YouTube Music from? If you're using an Android phone, you can get it on Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can get it on Apple Store. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-in page. Now I'd like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Once you're signed in, it's going to take you right to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on YouTube Music. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's step, and that is how to add songs on library. So I can just go ahead and open any song of choice. I'm going to click on any song. Now this is the song of choice. Okay, so I cannot play the song out because of copyright issues. Now if I want to add this to library, I'm going to click on, I'm going to click on this three dots menu at the top right corner, and it takes me here. I have a couple of options which include start radio, add to queue, save to library, download, go to album, go to artist, dismiss queue, report, and sleep timeout. So I'm going to click on save to library, and now it says added to library. So let's see if this song has been added successfully to library. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and at the bottom of my screen I have the home samples explore library. So click on library, and now you see it has been added to library. And that's okay, this is not library, sorry, it's in playlist. So I'm going to go X on that playlist. Okay, so this is the library. All right, and my song has been added to my library. So I'm going to click on songs. Cleansing Fire is here. But this is how to add songs on library. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.